Okay, what we're going to do now is talk about loose heads. Okay, so the head is designed to be removed from the body, and you need to do this when dressing them up because they feel very uncomfortable if you are like trying to like tip them upside down. They get quite angry actually. So you need to like pull the head off. They're absolutely okay with that. And but as you do so, what you may find is that the hole over here starts to get bigger. And what's going to happen is, what may happen is that the head will like start spinning around. And some people have said that it can be quite scary. I'm absolutely used to it because I've been doing this for about 6 years. But yeah, I mean, I can see why people who've just got their smart doll, you know, they wake up at night, you know, to go to the toilet for like a cup of water, and they see the doll, the head, like just like spinning around. You know, I can see how that could be like scary. But there's a way to like fix this. First, you have to make sure the head is actually on properly, all right? And so if you look over here, I've put the head all the way down so that there's no gaps. So first make sure the head is on properly, and that may already like remedy the situation, okay? So another thing is that, so there is a silicone tube on the neck over here, and that should be ever so slightly exposed, okay? And that contributes to making sure the head doesn't like spin around. So make sure that this is exposed. If not, just pull it back up a little bit, okay? So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is you take a hairdryer, okay? And you apply heat to this hole over here, and then the hole should start to shrink, okay? Once you've done that, leave the head for a while, and when you come back, the hole should have shrunk. Then you can put the hole back on the peg over here.